unboxing chat to Keyra TV today. It's my dad's birthday and all my families are here. My grandma, my granddad, my uncle, my auntie, my sister, and yeah. Let's go.
We're gonna go down the one with Bobby and watch it.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you, honey. Yeah, you got it pointed the wrong way. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
I just got him out twice.
Hi, Auntie Kim.
Hey.
You're back.
Hey, no, my ball still. I still have 4 to go.
You're on a hat trick.
Playing some stuff.
The baby. Get back there so I can bowl you out.
And Carly's boyfriend is here.
I'm bowling this baby out.
Hi, Grandma.
Listen, then come
Hello, Keyra.
Hi.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. And yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, and then you say to Kaka over there, this is all my family, this is something.
I did say that.
Back it up. There you go. Ready? Oh, almost. Yeah, chuck that other one over, JB. So
Hi, Kaka.
one more with this bit of bouncy ball.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Thanks, so.
I want to see myself.
No, so.
Hi! We are playing cricket.
Auntie Kim's going hard on everybody. Even the baby.
Yes, baby!
And run. Yeah, just like that ball.
Thank you.
That's so cute. Oh no!
Alright, I got 2 more balls.
Alright.
I've got 2 more balls left. Get rid of the baby, she's gone.
Bye, baby. James's turn.
James's turn.
You want a
Baby's
couple
gone,
more or
you're
you
out,
good?
dude.
Keisha, come and help me.
Okay, she's gone, she's glad.
Alright, if I hit the fence, I'm out.
Gotta go get the
I'll
ball.
over the fence now. If you hit the fence, it's fine.
Run!
Safe.
You can't get out on the first ball.
Safe?
It's safe.
Daddy. Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Daddy.
Hello.
Say hi, baby.
Hi. You say hi to yourself.
Udah.
You already introduced yourself.
Carly di sini. Apa kabar semuanya?
Yang belum pernah lihat Carly, ini anak aku yang pertama. Yang semua pada nanya, Carly mana? Carly
I'm the
mana?
eldest. Aku tinggal di Brisbane City, right? So you guys live really far away. Tapi I live close to the city, so I'm good. Ale.
And then what else?
And then what else? I have a boyfriend. Aku ada pacarnya di situ. Ale. Which one is he? Where is he? You can't see him right now, but it's okay. Today we are celebrating my dad's birthday.
What's up?
Selamat ulang tahun, Daddy.
Terima kasih banyak.
Yay! and Grandma, say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
We're playing backyard cricket.
Looks like you're sitting
The
on your
audience.
The audience.
The audience. Yes, hello YouTube. Eventually. All right, let's see what's going on here. I got it. Aww. Hey!
Safe. I am the looker guy.
The looker
Who does
guy.
this and this.
Hi, Uncle Justin.
Hey, beautiful.
How are you doing?
I'm loving life.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. You look great. Oh,
God.
run.
Can't throw the bag.
Dang it.
All right, Dad.
Go, Granddad.
Let it roll.
Whoa, go, Granddad. Go, Granddad. What a good. Oh, almost. It is.
It's a 4.
4?
Yes.
How are you doing, Jason?
4.
How are you doing, Keyra?
Good.
Good. Oh, run, Granddad, run! Granddad is too good.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
That's you.
Oh, it's me.
Go, go, go. Oh my god, that was cool. That was cool. Go get it better.
Did you get that?
Good job, Uncle Justin.
You ready, Todd?
Hey?
High 5.
High five. Beautiful.
Ready?
Whoa!
Oh, I actually died.
Hey, what are you doing?
Well done, Keyra. Well done.
I still remember when Keyra went.
Good job, Keyra.
She like
I got hair in the way.
stop hanging in the sand.
What are you doing?
You don't have to.
Over there.
You don't have to carry the bat.
You don't have to carry
does
that.
have
Yes,
to
she
carry
does.
the god.
Oh, okay. Have to carry the bat next time.
Alright, Keyra.
Keisha. Yeah, Keyra.
Turn
Well,
around.
again.
That one have the other side.
Ready?
There we go. You've got to carry the bat. Take it with you.
I like this grass. Ready?
Yeah, you know how long it was? It was like up to here before.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, all we're doing is
Ooh.
Do me. Throw. Throw it.
you got to take the bat with you when you run, okay?
Hey!
Get the bat past the race.
You ready?
Go! Run! Nice round. Through the bat. Nice round.
Anyway.
There you go.
You like threw your bat.
Good job. How'd that feel? How's that? Tell me about your innings. How'd that feel?
It was very hard to focus on the ball.
Yeah, I know, right? We feel the same.
Like when it bounced 2 times, I was like, oh, it's gonna be down, and then I just missed it.
I know.
And if it bounced 1 time, it's gonna miss it again and high up. I got it. It's just so hard, and you like do it like.
You
At
did
the
good
middle.
though. You did good.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. Okay, let's watch what's going on here.
I'm really in a big one.
Hey, do you want?
Oh yeah.
Batting or bowling?
I'm bowling.
Hey, is this regulation distance?
Yeah, about right.
Hi, mommy. What are you drinking?
Coffee?
You.
Oh, ew, this is yummy.
Bye, mommy. Hi, grandma.
Hello, Keyra.
Hit the ball. Not over the house. Ready?
Oh, we're just watching. I think my dad's gonna
Yay! It's my ball.
No. Jet will pass it. I'm underneath this thing.
You've already caught one.
It's time for my dad.
Have to bowl one more time.
Be a good
You can have the ball.
Oh, fear of God! Fear of God! Don't let pop another nut.
One down.
It's still
Can we use that ball? That ball's scary.
works again.
I love how he does that. Every morning.
Alright, can we do that ball?
Favourite thing.
Granddad.
He's my favourite. I don't like it. You're the flying again.
Whoa!
Run!
It's getting real.
You're
Okay.
supposed to run!
Okay, Tipsy run.
Gypsy run! Ready?
Tipsy run. Catch for Johnson.
Still in, yeah.
I'm going for 2. Oh, where's my wicketkeeper?
We're gardening.
You're holding it properly. There's so much fielders now.
Oh my god. That was scary. I thought it was gonna hit me.
Wide.
I did? It was the wind. It was the wind.
See this?
Oh, sorry. Somebody change.
Your ball's out.
That's my ball done.
Who's next? Anyone want
You can ball.
Anyone volunteer?
You gonna ball?
Uh-oh. Up next after Daddy. I mean,
We'll catch up before then, for sure.
So yeah, happy birthday to my dad and I'm super duper glad that everyone came. My grandma, my granddad, my cousin, my sister's boyfriend, and Teddy. Hi Teddy. Oh.
That's the hardest part of eating in this context. Sorry? It's the hardest part of eating in this situation.
Cheese.
Queso.
Ini pacar aku, namanya dia James. Say hi everyone.
It's like cracking my eyes. That's so weird. This is like scanning my face for China.
I'll teach you some Indonesian. Say hello semuanya.
Hello, semuanya.
Hello
Hello.
semuanya.
Semuanya.
Nama saya.
You're saying something.
No, nama saya
Nama saya.
James.
James.
Yes.
James is a big idiot. Just said.
Hi baby. I love you. You got a cookie? Oh my gosh.
The breeze is coming through.
Yes.
And now you look at the princess.
Wow.
Who's the princess?
Hi mommy.
Well, asleep.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching.
What's up?
God, yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Hit that notification bell.
If you want to see more of Daddy, subscribe.
Subscribe. See more of Daddy, see more of Kaka, see more of Keyra and Keisha.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
Bye.
you for watching. Bye.
Get it in you.
Bye. Bye.